Hello everyone. So a guest would be joining soon. Hello.
Hi
How are
Samiksha, how are
you?
you?
I'm fine. How are you,
Um,
Ramisha?
I'm good.
So, ready?
Yes, I'm ready, all ready. I was ready since like 10-15 minutes and I was just waiting.
Same here
I'm
actually. I was
excited
just
to be
waiting
here.
for the time.
Yes.
So
So,
how you have been?
I'm good. I had a busy day. I've been up since 6:30.
Oh
So,
my
it's
God.
going good. And I like doing this. I like waking up in the morning. I am not a morning person, actually. I have never been. But when you're busy and you start the day early, so you have such a good day. I mean, I am fresh right now and I'm looking forward to sleeping today. So I'm gonna sleep very soundly today.
No, actually same here. Even I'm not a morning person, but today have been a very busy day for me. I've been up
Yeah.
from 7 a.m. and so it's
Okay.
the energy. It's the
Yeah.
excitement also, I may say.
Hmm. Okay, so my 6:30 is your 7, so we woke up at the same time
At the
actually.
same time.
Yes.
So, first, I would like you to introduce yourself, a brief introduction for our followers.
Yes, okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Ramisha Amin, and I am from Pakistan, currently living in Lahore, and I am a yoga teacher, registered yoga teacher, 200 hours, if everyone knows that. And in simple words, I am just a certified yogi, just trying to make things better, learning with time, and I'm just like everyone else. That's it.
Great, great.
Yeah.
So, Ramisha, now shall we come to our topic, our
Yes.
discussion?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, go
So,
ahead.
of course, now as everyone have might have read it, the body positivity through yoga. So, we'll start our session now. We'll have a fun conversation, nothing boring,
Yes.
and we'll have
Yes.
different exercises, some affirmations. It will be a good session. So, stay tuned till the
Yes.
end.
Yes, I'm hoping to make it very interesting for everyone. So please stay tuned in because we're not just going to talk, we'll be
Sure.
doing other things too. So
Yes,
just
with
be
the
patient.
smiles.
Yes, just be patient, bear with us, and that through the end, we'll be doing some affirmations that you can repeat, some breathing exercises, and
Yes.
also some seated postures that you can do at your own. So it's going to be good.
So
So,
overall, it's a knowledge-packed session
yes,
and a smiling faces.
yes, yes. So we do have a good chemistry.
Yeah, I agree, totally agree.
Yes, let's start.
Hmm.
So, first of all, I would like to talk about yoga in general.
Sure.
So, generally, people perceive yoga as something very difficult or very easy. So,
Hmm.
this is what I have experienced. So, some people believe that the postures that we do, they're very difficult or,
Hmm.
they cannot be achieved by a normal person. Or I get this perception that everyone thinks yoga is just stretching, right? So these
So,
are the two things that I face. So I just want to let everyone know that yoga is for everyone, every single person who's watching me, every single one. So it's just you have to find your thing, just what you like to do. And another thing that people think about yoga is that it's just postures, the poses that we do, a workout. So for me, yoga is not just that workout, it is a work in. So I'm not just
hmm.
doing yoga when I'm on the mat, I'm doing yoga when I'm off the mat, right? So
Great.
I am practicing yoga all the time. I'm trying, not all the time, but I try to practice it all the time. So yoga means union, right? The literal
Hmm.
meaning of yoga is union. So by union, we don't mean union with other things or other people. What we mean is actually is that the union between our body, mind, and soul,
So, yes,
right?
of course. Yeah,
Yes,
totally agree.
yes, yes.
Hmm.
So when I started yoga,
Hmm.
I used to hate yoga. You know, it was back like 3 years or four
Why?
years. Yes, I
Hmm.
did. I actually did. You know, I was taking classes at a studio, and
Hmm.
yoga was my last choice. So I was always, I fell asleep through yoga, and I was literally, running away from yoga all the time. And I was like, why do I have to do yoga?
Such a huge transition now. Hating
Yes,
yoga
yes,
and being a yoga teacher.
yes, now yoga is like my life. So I would like to say to everyone that give yoga time. Just don't look at it as poses. Just try, just give it some time, and then you will fall in love with yoga. I am sure.
So, what made you this transition actually from hating to
Yes,
love?
yes. So when I was doing yoga in a group, so I was only focusing on the physical part. I wanted workout, burn calories. That is what I wanted. And I used to feel like I'm not burning any calories in this. I'm not sweating or anything. So what is the use of yoga? But gradually I started doing yoga at my own. And when I did yoga at my own, then I discovered the real meaning of yoga. That it's just not, the physical thing. I discovered a lot about me that I did not know. Yoga helped me be a better person, and I am like a very hyper person. I've always been a hyper person. So yoga
Yoga
calmed me
made
down.
you calmed you down.
Yes, yes, a lot. And I was like a very angry person, and I
Hmm.
still am. I mean, I'm not perfect. I'm just trying like everyone else. Yes, but it has helped me a lot. So I am saying this, if you ask my friends and my family, they will agree about this. So definitely, yoga helps you in every single thing of your life.
So, you think yoga has create more awareness in Pakistan?
Yes, yes, people are moving towards yoga after COVID. I think COVID
Hmm.
was like a turning point for all of us.
For actually
So
for
with
all over the world, I may say.
yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes. And now there is so much awareness around us, but the issue that I face here is that people uh, don't know the real meaning of yoga. So that is what my point is right now, that I want people to actually know what yoga is. You know, not just that physical part that they see on
Hmm.
Instagram, maybe doing
Hmm.
headstands or cartwheels, something like that. So just understand that real yoga that I
As you
know or you
said,
know. Yes,
the union of body, soul, and mind. That is
yes,
yoga.
yes, yes,
I think that's
yes,
why
it is.
everyone should have this knowledge, not making the perception, as you said, just being physical part or the
Yes,
inner part.
yes,
It's more than workout, actually. It's
yes,
working
yes.
and
So,
working out.
yes, so the person who can help you most in yoga is yourself.
Great.
So you're fighting with yourself, and once you win, you
Hmm.
win.
You
So
win.
that feels really good. Yes.
It's all a win-win situation here.
Yes, yes. So no one else matters. No one is gonna fight with you. It's just you against you. That's it.
So, how you can connect it with body positivity?
Yes. So first, let's talk about what body
Body
positivity
scan.
actually is.
Hmm.
So body positivity for me is actually being happy with my body. And
Yeah. Hmm.
everyone who is watching, I would like to ask them a question. Who is
Hmm.
happy with their body?
Yeah,
Okay?
I mean, we like to have the answers if anyone would.
Yes, yes, yes. So if let's see how many people are happy with their body right now. It's not just body, any physical aspect.
It's just accepting yourself the way you are.
Yes,
That's the
yes,
best thing I can connect with.
yes. Me, there's one me. Yes. Any other one? This is a general question. Maybe
Ah,
Samiksha, you can answer this for me. Are you happy with your body?
yes, I am right now. To be
Okay,
honest, not
that's
I was not like 2 months before. No, But as you connect with, as you said, yoga and the
Hmm.
spirituality, and you start accepting yourself, whole self,
Hmm.
your inner
Yes,
and out,
yes,
then you
yes,
you can see that it
yes,
radiates
of course. Yes.
when the acceptance
So,
part. Hmm.
yes. So most of the people that we meet, the things we talk about,
Hmm.
I think we're always talking about these things. You know,
Hmm.
what diet are you on? What are you doing? What exercises are you doing on? Oh, look at my belly. This is what we're
Yes.
always doing, right? This is what
Hmm.
society has taught us since the day we were born.
I
I
think
have
especially the
experienced it.
females. I mean, I may not
Yes,
being biased, but especially the females.
because female are targeted more. If
Yes.
there is a male and a female, the female will
Hmm.
be targeted more. Of course, males
Hmm.
also, suffer
Of
this.
course, you
This
have
is
to
not
have.
about feminism or anything, but
But
the
in general, what I have seen, you're too thin, you're too thick, eat it,
yes,
don't eat.
yes. So even not about body, what I would like to add is, so even my hair, even my eyes, my
Complexion,
hands, every single thing,
every single thing.
there was a time when I used to hate my hair. I always thought, okay, these my curls, they need to be gone. I need to get some straightening. And even other people used to tell me
Hmm.
that you need to do this.
Same, yeah, like
So it's not just about the
you're
body.
accepting as you are.
Yes, so this is what body positivity means for me. It's not just for the plus size people, it's for
Hmm.
everyone, everyone. So, what connected me with yoga and body positivity was that I never used to be happy with my body. I've generally been like this from since I was a baby. I used to be a healthy baby. Then I grew up. I everything that went through. Sometimes I was really fat.
Hmm.
I'm talking about myself, so I can say fat, right?
Yeah,
So
of course
yes,
you can.
yes. So sometimes like that. Sometimes I lost weight. So over the time, I was doing everything, the fat diets, and even when I lost weight before yoga,
Hmm. Hmm.
I was not happy with my body. I was
Hmm.
always trying to do something, lose more weight, few more inches, anything that I could do. But after I started doing yoga, I
Hmm.
realized it's not just about how I look. It has to be about how I feel. Doing
Yes.
all those diets, you know, it just made me mentally upset, not
Hmm.
eating what I liked and always counting my calories. And, whenever I went out with my friends, controlling myself, yes, we need to eat healthier. Everyone needs to eat healthier. But not always, you don't always have to think that I have to lose weight, I have to look good. Once you start feeling good from the inside, everything becomes better.
Yeah, as
You
I said,
love
it
yourself.
radiates.
Yes,
Hmm.
once you love yourself, other people will surely love you too.
So I read a quote somewhere which said that you have only one body, love it.
Yes, yes.
So people tend. So we have a question here from James.
Okay.
How can body positivity and yoga help to overcome skin colorism?
Okay. So, skin colorism is a very common issue that we all
Hmm.
face. And what we can do is in yoga, once we are doing yoga, we need to think about how we are, not how we want to be. I know generally when we see a slim girl, we
Hmm.
always imagine her with the white skin, blonde hair. This is the perception that we build up
Okay.
with.
That beauty standards, you may say.
Yes. And
Hmm.
these beauty standards, who makes these beauty standards? It's all of us.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes. So we all make up these beauty standards. So what I believe is that once you do yoga and you're positive about your body, these things don't matter. Yes?
Yes. Hmm.
Yes.
Totally agree. These things will never matter. Just accept yourself the way you are. Love yourself. It's not
Yes.
like even you get even I was you may say I was fat like 13 kgs up. Now I'm 13 kgs
Okay.
down.
Okay.
I just think it's the perception. Once you lose weight, you'll feel good. No, I don't agree with it. It is just a fad. For 1 or 2 days, then it will fall flat.
Yes.
It's just how
So
you feel, whether you're
yes,
overweight,
so
underweight.
yes, even when you're
Hmm.
overweight or you're underweight, you are
Hmm.
still going to be the same person. It's
The
not
same
going to
person.
change who you are from the inside.
Hmm.
Yes.
Totally
So,
agree.
so when I started yoga, I
Hmm.
was only focusing on the physical part. Then I
Hmm.
met my teacher. First, I practiced on my own. Then
Hmm.
I met my teacher, and she
Hmm.
was the one who guided me. Like she accepted me like I was. She wasn't like,
Hmm.
you have to lose weight to be a teacher, or you have to do this and that. She made us learn a lot, and I get inspired by her every single day. So we have a question: how yoga
Yes.
changes your body?
Body. Hmm.
So, yes. So, as we're talking about yoga, yoga does change your body, but it's not just about the body, it's about the mind,
Hmm.
the soul, the connection. So, the physical aspect of yoga does help you a lot. Once you start doing
Hmm.
those poses, stretching your body, creating flexibility, you do tone up your body.
Hmm.
All old pains and everything in your body, it starts working and things get better. But again, it's not just about the body, it's about more the inside.
It's being healthier.
Yes, being healthier. Yes. So
Hmm.
it's not just about losing weight. So the most common question that I get as a yoga
Hmm.
teacher is, how long will yoga take us to lose weight?
Hmm.
Right? Yes,
Yes.
yoga does help you tone up your body, it does help you lose weight, but
Hmm.
everything takes time, consistency. So you have to,
Yes.
give everything time, and this is what makes you patient. Once you give it time, you have to focus, take out time for yourself, do some breathing. That helps you a lot in every single thing, I think so.
Yeah, it completely changes you to become a better person.
Yes.
What I
So
believe, being healthier. Hmm. You can
yes,
think
yes.
clearly, and I think it helps you to be what I can say, to be more creative also, what I personally experienced. So when
Okay.
you're eating healthy or you feel healthy and you have this good connection with your body and mind, you start to tend to be
Yes.
more productive.
Yes. Yes.
So we have one
So
more question here. Is yoga similar to prayer or puja?
yes, yes. So for me,
Hmm.
personally, I've made a real connection with God. God is one, your God, my God, everyone's God. So I do think
Hmm.
that the meditation part of yoga is very similar to puja, salat, whatever
Hmm.
religion we follow. So, yes,
Follow.
it does. So, when I'm meditating, I'm concentrating on myself, making a connection with myself. And God is that. So, when I use my mat, I just
Hmm.
connect it with my prayer mat. So, I say that I have two mats. There are two mats of my life. One
Hmm.
is my yoga mat, and one is my prayer mat. And I
Great,
do
great.
feel closer to God. I do.
It's
With
very
yoga
nice
you
actually.
start, yeah, you start to observe things a little closer, the nature, everything around you, things that a normal person would never feel like. So once you make that connection, yes, yes, you feel closer to God.
I hope the answer is very clear here.
Yes, and even the poses that we do.
Hmm.
So the poses like child's pose and
Hmm.
the forward folds,
Hmm.
we are doing that in our namaz. So I
Yes.
feel it like I'm very astonished at this fact that we've been doing this for a lot of time, but now
Hmm.
I can make the connection.
So when you know and you can make the connection, it's really nice.
Yes, yes. And I've started relying on Allah so much, and
Hmm.
whatever I'm doing, I'm like, He is with me. So, yes, yoga did help me a lot. I am not going to deny this fact at all.
I think no one can. It's like
Yes,
everyone's answer.
yes.
So we have one more question here. Can yoga help in breathing issues?
Yes, of course. Of course. So in yoga we do pranayama.
Hmm.
So pranayama is all the breathing that we do. We
Hmm.
have different breathing methods,
Hmm.
and yes, it does help you. When we breathe deep, we take up all the air inside, clear up our lungs.
Hmm.
We take breath to our belly, pelvic area, all the fresh air, which has never been used before. So once we start deep breathing, things
Hmm.
change from the inside. And we have a lot of breathing methods. We might do one or two
Yes.
today if we
Yes.
have the
Yes.
time.
Yes. Sure, we
So,
will.
inshallah, we'll be doing that. And Hassan, you can do it with us and then you can
Hmm.
give your feedback.
Yeah, we'll be looking forward to it. So I think we are coming to the part of affirmations.
Yes. So
Hmm.
let's just talk about affirmations for a minute. So
Hmm.
affirmations for me is some positive words that I repeat to myself. Some kind words, like in generally, I'm always talking to myself, oh, you don't look good, oh, don't eat that, and why don't you lose weight? Some so many harsh things we say
It's not
to
about
ourselves.
you, it's about everyone, I may say. Everyone is busy criticizing themselves only.
Yes. So let's just be more positive,
Hmm.
kind, loving to ourselves. We
We
will repeat those. We will
yeah, is that
repeat those affirmations together so
sure we
that
will. Hmm.
yes, yes. So I want everyone to just make these affirmations daily. Maybe if you wake up in the morning, just give yourself a minute, even if you don't believe in it. I'm going to repeat this even if you don't believe in it. Once you start repeating it, it will become reality. Yes, it will.
It will. So is it your own personal experience you're talking about?
Yes,
So
yes,
please elaborate
yes.
it for
So,
us. Hmm.
so in the start, right,
Hmm.
I did not believe in myself.
Hmm.
So I started, repeating these things to me. I am strong. I am powerful. I
Hmm.
am kind. I did not believe in them. And no one knows that I was doing this. But
Acha. Hmm.
but over time, I
Hmm.
have started being that person. I did not believe in it. But when you repeat, listen to me, if you are repeating hurtful things to yourself
Hmm.
daily, so you'll be that negative and you will be like that. Because that energy that you're creating around you, you will be like that. So just repeat these things daily. Just listen to me, just because
Hmm.
I'm saying it. Do this for a month, and I'm sure you will feel the change.
Yeah, we emit our vibrations. So as you said, negativity. When we criticize
Yes,
ourselves, we give up the
yes,
vibrations. So when we start saying these positive words, these affirmation, will make change.
yes,
It will create a positive vibration around us. As you said, if we will believe it, still the words you can, as universe hears it. So I
yes,
think it will work out.
yes. So we have a question from James. Let's just answer that, and
Sure,
we'll
sure.
move forward to our affirmations.
Hmm. What language do
So
you do for affirmations in English, Sanskrit, Arabic, Urdu, Hindi?
okay, so I do my affirmations in English, right? I
Hmm.
do speak Urdu, but
Hmm.
this is something that I do at my own, something that I feel comfortable in. So when I'm comfortable, I speak in English. So
Hmm.
when I'm alone, I do this to myself. So everyone has their own way. Some person
Hmm.
might do it in Urdu, someone might do it in Punjabi or
Uh,
Sanskrit. I haven't tried Sanskrit because I know a few words, but I don't know
hmm.
Sanskrit. Yes, it does make a difference because once you're comfortable with yourself, you have to repeat it in that. So any language,
Whichever
जो भी
language.
जुबान, so
Hmm.
just do that.
Doesn't matter. Hmm.
Yes, yes. So let's just start with the affirmations, I think.
Hmm. Okay, I
Okay.
hope everyone will join in this. So even if you're watching
Yes,
us, do repeat
yes,
this affirmation. Hmm.
yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back on my mat so that we
Hmm.
can do the breathing and a few poses with
Okay.
that. So we have another question from
That
James.
is, how can affirmations help someone to feel more confident and attractive?
Yes, so initially, if you're not believing in an affirmation,
Hmm.
so sorry, I just lost and I was just in that mode now. So once you're not comfortable with yourself, and no one is going to be comfortable with you, right? If you're
Hmm.
underconfident, so no one is going to like you. So the first thing, if you want to be confident and want
Hmm.
everyone to love you, not everyone's going to love you, only the people that you love. You have to love yourself.
Most
Once you start
important thing is
repeating
you should
these,
love yourself. Hmm.
yes, once you start repeating these affirmations, that means you will
Hmm.
start loving yourself as you are, and that will make you confident.
Great, exactly.
Yes.
Hmm. So, okay,
So
now we can
let's,
start. Hmm.
yes. So I'm on my mat, so you can sit anywhere. You can be lying down, sitting, anywhere you're
Hmm.
comfortable in. And
Hmm.
you can bring your hands to your heart or not.
Hmm.
Just stay here. You can close your eyes or look yourself in the mirror or just look at something that you love, right? So I'm gonna
Hmm.
bring my
Okay.
hands to my heart and
Hmm.
close my eyes.
Hmm.
So I want you all to repeat these affirmations with me in your heart.
Okay. Hmm.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I, yes, I am happy.
I am happy.
I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I am worthy of love.
I'm worthy of love.
I am peaceful.
I am peaceful.
I am kind.
I'm kind.
I am calm.
I am calm.
I may not be perfect,
I
but
may
I
not be
am
perfect,
happy with
but
who
I
I
am
am.
happy with who I am.
I am thankful
I'm thankful
for my body,
for my body,
for my life,
for my life,
and for my breath.
and for my breath.
Okay, now we're going to start with a little breathing. So, what you can do is bring your right hand on your chest, left hand on your belly. You can do it in a sitting position or you can lie down on the mat. So, we're just going to close our eyes and deepen our breath. Inhale through the nose, and as you inhale, you're going to take your breath towards your belly. So inhale, expand your belly. Full deep inhale, and as you exhale, contract your belly. Feel that hand move in. Keep going. Inhale, expand your belly. And exhale, contract your belly, pull it in. Be calm, be relaxed. Just go as far as you can. Keep breathing. And I want you to bring all your awareness to your breath. Just forget everything that is happening around you. Just for a few moments, just focus on your breath. Now I want everyone to open your eyes and bring your hands on your knees. Now we're going to do a very fun breath, which I love. I am sure everyone is going to love too, which is called the lion's breath in English and Simhasana in Sanskrit. So I want Samiksha to do this with me too.
Okay.
So yes, that's going to be fun. So simply what
Okay.
we have to do is inhale through the nose, full deep inhale. And once we're about to exhale, just open your mouth and you're going to say ha, right? With
Ha,
sound.
like this.
Yes,
With
a
sound.
long ha. Yes. Let's do it together.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Inhale. Now open your mouth and yes.
I did it right.
One more time. Yes, you
Okay.
have to deepen your breath. Just do it with a little more enthusiasm.
No, of
So,
course.
yes. Okay. Inhale. And now open your mouth and exhale.
I think that was good.
Yes, yes,
I
that was
understood
good.
this one. Mm.
Yes, and this is something that I love. This breath is amazing. So you can
It
just
actually
take
feels
it.
in one breath. I'm feeling it.
Yes, yes, you will feel it. You just take in all the fresh oxygen deep in,
Mm.
and you will feel the toxins moving out of your body as you exhale.
Very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, if let's do a few seated stretches before
Sure.
we end our session.
Okay.
Simply,
So this one will be for, you can do it in your chair also.
yes, you can do it on your chair also.
So
You
maybe
can
it
do,
could be helpful for people who are going in office and having these long hours. But if you're working
yes.
from your home, seated for so long, you can try the stretches, these
Hmm,
postures.
hmm, hmm.
Okay, I'll do with you.
So, yes, so you can be in a seated position or you can
Yes.
sit in a chair. Even if you are standing, you can do it while standing. Or you can bring your legs to your side if you're comfortable in that, bringing your hips on your heels. So yoga is very easy. It's not difficult. If you don't have a mat, doesn't mean that you cannot do yoga. So let's bring our hands by our side. Inhale, take your arms above your head. Inhale up. Yes, stretch your arms out and exhale. Take your arms by your side. Yes, again, inhale up and exhale. Okay, one more time. Inhale up and exhale. Now you can bring your hands on your knees. We're going to make circles with our neck, which I always make all my students, my clients too, which is very helpful. Let's do it together. Inhale, start rotating your neck. Make a full circle. So if you're feeling some stress in your neck, you can do it while seated, standing. So you'll be amazed at how much your neck can move once you start doing
Yeah.
that. Okay, so do it on the other side also. Let's balance it out.
Again with the same inhale.
Yes, you can inhale and then exhale. You're not going to hold your breath in. Yes, keep going,
Uh-huh.
inhale and exhale. So never hold your breath in yoga poses. Just keep breathing. Okay, let's come back to our center. So another stretch that you can do for your neck is bring your right arm forward, and then you're going to place your uh, wrist over wrist, and then stretch to the left. Take both your arms to the left and look towards the right. So you're going to feel the stretch in your neck. Keep breathing.
I forgot the breathing part.
Yes, so I do keep reminding everyone because everyone tends to hold their breath in the poses. So this is very important. Okay, come back to your center. Let's do
You
it
can
on the
feel
other
the
side
stretch here
too.
actually. You can feel
Yes,
the
yes.
stretch here.
Yes, this is very beneficial for you, and the most important part is that you can do this anywhere. Let's do
Yes.
it on the other side now.
Mm.
Left arm forward, right wrist on top, stretch to the right and look towards the left. Okay, come back to your center and release. Okay, one last move that I want to share is the seated cat cow. So, simple cat cows, you've heard of them, but now we're going to do seated cat cows. So, you can do this on a
Okay.
chair also, and even in a standing position, you can do this move. So, simply you're going to inhale, lift your chest up, expand your belly, look up. And now, as you exhale, you're going to round your back and look in towards your belly. Yes. Again,
Okay.
inhale. Yes, you're going to feel the stretch in your back, in your neck, in your shoulders. And exhale, round your back, look in. Okay, let's do it one more time. Inhale
Sure.
and exhale. Round your back, look in. And back to center.
Such
So these are a
amazing
few.
posture. Thank you
Yes.
so much. I'm sitting here on my chair and doing everything. I'm feeling it.
Yes, yes, you can do many of these more pages, many of these poses at your own. And if you want, you can come to my Instagram. I'll be uploading many of these poses to help everyone out. And if you have any queries, you can always contact me and I will be happy to answer you.
Anytime, everyone, do contact her. She is great. It's
You're
been
great
really
too,
helpful.
Samiksha.
It's been really helpful, the breathing one. And I never thought, we'll be doing live and I'll be doing all this with you. But it
Yes,
feels so great.
yes. Thank you so much for having me, Samiksha.
Thank you so much for being here,
And
giving us so much knowledge.
yes, and thanks to everyone who's here.
Thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the session. Do watch it again. Learn the breathing exercises, the
Yes,
postures,
yes,
and love yourself. Accept who you are.
yes,
That was
yes.
the main
Accept who
thing
you
here.
are. Just be happy now.
Hmm.
Just be happy
Be
now
in
in
the
this moment.
present. Hmm.
Yes, yes.
So James here is telling thank you, Shukriya, and Dhanyavad.
Oh, thank you so much, James. I have a weak eye, so I'm gonna be reading the comments later. Uh, yes.
So it's been
Okay.
a great session. Thank you again. Thanks a lot
Thanks
for
to
this
everyone
knowledge.
who's watching and your support.
Thank you so much to all the viewers for your questions. I hope everyone has got their answers.
Yes, and they can ask me again. I'm always here to
Hmm.
answer all the questions. So that's not an
Yes.
issue.
Hmm. Okay then. Have a good
Okay,
day.
Samiksha.
Okay, Ramisha, we'll
Everyone
be in
have a,
touch. Hmm.
yes, definitely.
Of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
I'll be following
Okay.
your poses.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'm gonna be uploading a few for you now.
Okay, I'll be humbled and honored. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.
See you
Bye
soon.
bye. Dhanyavad.
Bye bye. Bye everyone.